Esther Domingo. I am 19 years old from San Mariano, Peñaranda. My position to choose is Food and Beverage Manager. At Royal Caribbean International, our vision is to deliver exceptional dining experiences that exceed guest expectation, elevate service standard, and ensure operational efficiency, all while fostering a vibrant and innovative culinary environment. I choose a career in hospitality because I am passionate about creating memorable experiences for people, whether through great people, excellent service, or welcoming environment. The energy and variety in this industry excite me, and I enjoy the challenge of managing operation to meet guests' expectations. My long-term career goal is to continue growing in the food and beverage sector, eventually moving into senior leadership roles. I am improve operational efficiency, innovate service offering, and mentor teams to create a positive work culture while delivering top-tier guest experiences. As a food and beverage manager, I prioritize clear communication, mutual respect, and collaboration. I make sure everyone understands their role, encourage feedback, and lead by example. I also ensure that the team stay motivated by offering support and celebrating successes, which help us work efficiently toward common goals.